I am like you. I don't need any more advice. I need exactly what I need to do to reach my goals. No motivation, just scientific inputs that if I do these things consistently, I'm going to reach my goals. I think a lot of us are tired of the motivational advice or the gurus. We just want to know, what will I do that will make it almost impossible to fail? I'm going to give you the exact prompts that you need to do this. You need to insert the goal, ask AI, what are 3 inputs? If done correctly and consistently, make it extremely hard to fail. You might need this part, which goes into what it controls, why it can't be skipped, how people fail at it. And then the last part is end it with a step by step what I should do. That part is the most important part. So let's give you a little example here. I'm just going to put, I want to get 6-pack abs as a goal. That's it. So once you just put that in ChatGPT, it works in Claude or Gemini. For my example, I want to get 6-pack abs. It talks about calorie deficits. You can't skip it. Resistance training plus protein and consistency over time. So I know those 3 things are all I need to focus on. Everything else is a distraction. So you don't need any advice. You don't need to watch any video on what to do except you're doing these things. If you're doing these things, you might get external advice with some tricks or some things that might slightly get you there faster. But these are the main ingredients. This is the most powerful prompt when it comes to goal setting and goal achievement that I've discovered. And I'm sharing it with you completely free. Link in the description. I'm building a productivity app with AI called Zendu. Check it out.